Introduction to the cherry production process in a factory. The journey to the consumer. As the first rays of morning sunlight gently filter through cherry trees heavy with fruit, the journey of a single cherry begins with absolute care and precision. Cherries are premium, delicate fruit, easily damaged, and therefore require a tightly controlled process from the moment they leave the branch to the instant they appear on store shelves. Every stage is designed to protect freshness, glossy red color, and the fruit's distinctive flavor. Scene 1. Cherry harvesting. In cherry orchards, harvesting is performed entirely by hand to prevent bruising. Workers gently pick ripe cherry clusters, keeping the stems attached to reduce moisture loss. Only cherries at ideal ripeness, uniform in color and firm to the touch, are selected and placed carefully into shallow, ventilated harvest trays. Scene 2. Preliminary sorting at the farm. Immediately after harvesting, cherries undergo preliminary sorting at the farm. Fruit that is bruised, cracked, overripe, or affected by pests is removed. This step minimizes losses during transport and ensures uniform quality for the shipment. Scene 3. Rapid post-harvest cooling. Cherries are transferred immediately to rapid cooling systems. Temperature is quickly lowered to slow respiration and ripening, preserving firmness, color, and natural shine. Scene 4. Packing and transportation. After cooling, cherries are packed in cushioned, specialized containers and transported in refrigerated trucks. Maintaining the cold chain from orchard to factory is critical to preserving cherry quality. Scene 5. Raw material receiving at the factory. At the factory, cherries are weighed and logged with details of origin, harvest time, and transport conditions. Quality control staff perform a quick visual assessment before releasing the fruit into the processing line. Scene 6. Washing and cleaning. Cherries move onto stainless steel conveyor belts and enter automated washing systems. Gentle water flow and mist sprays remove dust and surface contaminants without damaging the thin skin. Scene 7. Automated sorting. After washing, cherries pass through automated sorting systems. Cameras and optical sensors evaluate size, color, and surface quality. Fruit that does not meet specifications is automatically removed. Scene 8. Manual quality inspection. At the end of the sorting line, workers conduct a final manual inspection. Using experience and close observation, they remove cherries with subtle defects that machines may not detect. Scene 9. Production line separation. At this stage, cherries are directed according to their final use. Whole fresh cherries for retail, pitted cherries, frozen cherries, or cherries for juice, jam, or puree. Each pathway follows a dedicated processing sequence. Scene 10. Stem removal and pitting for processed cherries. Cherries intended for processing have their stems removed and are fed into automated pitting machines. The system is precisely calibrated to remove pits without crushing the fruit flesh. Scene 11. Anti-oxidation treatment. Processed cherries pass through approved anti-oxidation solutions to preserve their deep red color and prevent browning caused by air exposure. Scene 12. Rapid freezing or crushing. Pitted cherries may enter rapid freezing systems to preserve cellular structure. Cherries destined for juice or puree are gently crushed under controlled temperature conditions. Scene 13. Filtration and texture adjustment. Crushed cherry products are filtered to remove skins and coarse solids, then adjusted for viscosity, sweetness, and color according to product specifications. Scene 14. Pasteurization. Processed cherry products undergo short-time pasteurization at precisely controlled temperatures. This step ensures microbiological safety while retaining the fruit's characteristic flavor. Scene 15. Aseptic packaging. Fresh cherries, frozen cherries, or processed cherry products are packaged in clean, controlled environments. Filling and sealing machines operate with high precision to ensure accurate weight and airtight closure. Scene 16. Labeling and final inspection. Packages are labeled with production dates and expiration dates. Industrial camera systems inspect appearance, seal integrity, and fill volume, automatically removing defective units. Scene 17. Cold storage and distribution. Finished products are transferred to cold storage facilities. Temperature and humidity are strictly controlled before distribution to supermarkets, premium retailers, and specialty markets. Scene 18. Reaching the consumer. On store shelves, boxes of bright red cherries are displayed with care. Consumers select them, take them home, and enjoy them, bringing the long journey of the cherry to its conclusion, from temperate orchards to everyday dining tables.